Hi 108, this is week 11 and we are working in unit 19. As we go through these last few weeks, a lot of your work will be individualized, and so these videos will be not so much teaching content but giving you ideas to what you should be working on and highlighting a few of the pieces. You should be working on your individual transposition, so that means the instrumental band and the instrumental orchestral examples you should have printed off from the PDF. And you should be working on those. Those of you that are vocal style, I'll continue to suggest some in the book, and also remember that great resource of pdmpiano.org. So as we work through these ending units, we're going to start to add together some chord progressions, hopefully giving us some muscle memory for what we can use when we're harmonizing, frequently used progressions, and frequently used progressions that you're going to find in your sight reading and your repertoire as well. And so with Unit 19, the chord progression that they're adding in has a 2 in it. So taking our regular inversion of that 4-6-4 and that 5-6-5, but instead of going to a 1 back in the middle like what we have been doing, we're going to take it to a minor 2. So if I'm in the key of C, 1, 4, minor 2 in root position then would be a D minor, 5-6-5, 1. So again, it's just adding some tools to our chest that we can use with harmonization. I encourage you to take that through different keys. 1, 4-6-4, minor 2, 5-6-5, 1. Great theory skills as well. You'll notice on page 242, you have it in a traditional manner up here. I also encourage you to practice it in what I like to call keyboard style. I know keyboard style with harmonization has been a little bit of a sticky transition, and here's the perfect way for you to practice. How can I voice 3 lines or 3 parts in my right hand with that bass in my left hand? So 1, 4-6-4, minor 2, 5-6-5, 1. I would like to hear that chord progression on your quiz this week, along with your choice of a sight reading piece off of 246 or 247. Taking a look through Unit 19, you've got a piece on 243, Waltz. As we look at this piece together in class, we'll talk about looking for the big ideas, just what we've done before, that not reading individual notes, but looking and reading by measure, seeing 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 7. Blocking it for your coordination is a great way to go. This waltz on 243 would be an acceptable piece for your proficiency if you decide that it's one that you do really like. When you turn to 246, 247, here are sight reading pieces for you to do. You can have your choice for the quiz. Please, as I said, please do the chord progression of 1, 4-6-4, minor 2, 5-6-5, 1. If you are a vocalist or vocal emphasis, I would suggest you use these 3 to transpose. Remember, instead of using the book prompt, go up or down a third. That is more true to what you'll be asked to do on that proficiency. The last thing in Unit 19 is you've got some harmonizations here to work on 248, 249. Again, as things become more individualized, I encourage you to look at these 4 before class. Try to do them in the prompt that is asked for left-hand style, but then also challenge yourself, can I turn it into two-handed? Can I turn it into keyboard? Could I make that left hand an Alberti bass? Could I make it a waltz bass? And the styles that are difficult for you to think of how to voice the chords, those are the styles that you and I should be getting together and working on inside class or outside class, so that again, when we get those examples May 3rd, you've got all the skills in your tool chest to learn those quickly. So Unit 19, new chord progression, sight reading, individualized transposition specific to your degree plan, and then you've also got a repertoire piece of waltz.